Good day mga kabayan techers, this is your Kabayan Tech. As promised, I'm going to give you a short tour of i2C, the i6S programmer. I bought this one from AliExpress. Didn't put any battery yet, so I plugged it directly to a power source. This uses a USB-C power cable. If you want to use a battery, it uses an iPhone 7 battery. If this is the first time that you're going to use it, setting it into English, you just have to go to Set, click on the OK button that is shown here, and then you could choose the language over here. The next step, you have to go to Wi-Fi settings and connect here. I find connecting the Wi-Fi, especially if you have a very long Wi-Fi password, you have to go through with the on-screen keyboard, and it's somewhat getting used to. It took me around 5 to 10 minutes to get the hang of it, and I thought at first didn't connect, but the system is a little bit slower if you're used with the JCV1 series. The menus are faster to go around. If you want to go back to the main menu, you just press the OK button, long press it. When you purchase this one on AliExpress, there are different daughter boards that they have. The one that I have here installed is the capturing the True Tone for 7 to 11 Pro Max. And then this one is for iPhone 12. The next daughter board is for the proximity sensor and ALS. To be honest with you, I haven't used this one successfully, even on the JCV1S. It's because you need to jailbreak the device for you to unbind it. Next one is for the battery reprogramming. You have to also buy the tag on flex. The last two is for the vibrate. I haven't tried yet. And that's it mga kabayan techers. This is just a quick run of the i2C. We're going to have more videos with this programmer. For those who are watching, not yet subscribed, click the subscribe button and also click the bell button so you will know if we have new videos. For those who are already subscribed, thank you very much and have a good day.